From mind-blowing special effects to creating content in seconds, AI videos is changing the game for creators. Why are AI videos trending? Easier content creation. AI tools can help create professional-looking videos, even without fancy editing skills. This opens doors for new creators and businesses. More engaging videos. AI can generate special effects, animation, and even realistic characters. This can lead to more visually interesting and engaging content. Save time and money. If you can create a video in minutes with AI, that's a huge time saver. This allows creators to focus on other aspects of their content strategy. Social media content. Eye-catching AI videos can help you stand out on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Explainer videos. Use AI to create clear and engaging videos to explain your product or service. Educational content. Bring complex topics to life with AI-generated animations and visuals. AI video technology is constantly evolving. We can expect even more powerful tools and features in the future. AI Creators Club software use artificial intelligence to generate video content based on your instructions. Find out more in the link at the comments or description below.